Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to freeze location on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to privacy and security. From here, just tap on location services, then tap on share my location. Now from here, just disable share my location. And once you disable this toggle, you will freeze your location. Now there is also another option to freeze your location. Now for that, just go to your home screen and swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now in the control center, just open the connection section, and from here just tap on the airplane mode to enable airplane mode. And if you enable airplane mode, you will freeze the location on your iPhone. But this will also disable the cellular and Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone. And this is how you can freeze location on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.